Hello nail peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. This is where nail things happen, so let's do this thing. This is the Maniology Mani by Me October box that we're about to unbox. Ha ha ha! So let's see what's inside. We have our two cards, which we'll get to in a minute, and our bundle. Okay, two cards. I will let you guys pause this so I can be surprised, but you can see what it says. I have no idea what's in here. And Gnome, Sweet Gnome. Okay, looks fall-ish. Step into a world of fall enchantment with our latest Mani by Me tutorial. Create whimsical gnome-themed nail art that captures the cozy spirit of the season. Okay, gnomes are fun. Okay, something for fall. Here is the step-by-step tutorial, and of course we will be doing this on video in another video. So, here we go. Diving in, diving in, diving in. Let's start, oh, what's our extra item? Oh, okay, I love these things. I don't use them very often. I feel like they cost a lot of money, but I have tons of them. And I don't know why I don't use them more often. So I guess I should do that. I guess they take a little bit of time to do. These are cuticle protectors, and they're kind of amazing. Non-latex cuticle tape. So you take these off and you put them around your finger before you stamp something on your finger. So maybe in the tutorial I might use one of these. Oh man, I kind of hope these images are in there. Okay, so these are an excellent gift to put in the extra item for sure, for sure. Oh my gosh, it's build your own gnome. How cute is this? MXM114 looks like it's like these are the beards, different hats, different ties, different little bodies that you can put on your gnomes. Oh, it's build your own gnome. That is so unbelievably cute. So we have, gosh, I can't even read that. Happy Harvest. My Secret Garden. We've got little mushroom things and cute. Yes. Okay. So just like I was saying, I hope those images were on there. They totally are. These cute little foxes and owls, and look, they're so cute. Porcupines. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. These are little mushroom houses and other mushroom things. These are so cute. Little garden gnome stuff. That's just adorable. Okay, let's see what's on the other one. MXM113. So these are full gnome images that we've got here. A little welcome, a little gnome house, a mushroom with all kinds of leaves around it. So very fall, very cute. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Very, very cute. For sure, for sure, for sure. Okay, this is exciting. And let's pop into see what our colors look like, and we will swatch those too. Okay, I'm just gonna grab my scissors, pop into this bad boy. See what we got in here. Not what I was expecting. Is that a dark brown? Acorn, yes it is. It's a dark brown. And this one is called Artichoke, but it's like a shimmery green color. Okay, not the fall colors I was expecting. However, cute nonetheless. Not ones that I would probably use a lot, but I don't know. Let's put them on and see what they look like. This is a really pretty green. Mesmerizing, if I do say so myself. Oh, goodness. Almost looks like gold when you put it on. I do think it's going to need 2 coats, though. So it's kind of almost like a greenish, but there's so much gold shimmer in it that it reflects a lot of gold. Okay, and then our acorn color. Let's see, I bet this one's super opaque. Gosh, it almost looks black. It's so dark, so rich. Oh yeah, that's a one coater right there. That is a dark, luscious brown. I mean, so brown it almost looks black. Goodness gracious sakes alive. Okay, we'll put another coat on this one in a little bit. But let's get some stamping stuff out here so we can stamp and see what they look like. So I always use the same plate. This is what she looks like. I'm not sure this one's going to be a great stamping polish. Better get my scraper card nearby. We'll see though. We shall see. Boom. Pick up. Place. Oh, okay. Way better than I expected it to stamp, honestly. I mean, because it wasn't opaque in one coat, you can still kind of see through that guy. But this is actually a really pretty stamping color. It almost looks gold though instead of green. So it's basically a gold with a green tinge to it. But it is really pretty. It stamps really, really well. Very vibrant metallic color looking. Okay, on to the next one. Let's give this a little clean. And this acorn color, I bet she's gonna stamp really well. So let's pick up our acorn color. I know, it almost felt loose in there. That was weird. I don't know how to describe it. Okay. Oof. Oof. She's like espresso bean, chocolatey brown. Yeah. Oh, dang! It's so brown, you guys. It looks black on camera, but like you can tell it's brown for sure. But it definitely looks like black when it's stamped over white. It is super dark, super luscious. Let's put one more coat on that guy. Hopefully we can get him to focus better for you. Come on, you can do it. And here we go. Yeah, it looks golden. Like a green tinge, but it looks more golden than green, in my opinion. I mean, I guess if you're stepping back, if you stand back, it looks green. But it's got a lot of gold in it, for sure, for sure, for sure. Very pretty, and the two of them actually work really well together. Let me see if I can get it to focus. There we go. So the two of them work really well together, very pretty. Okay, well, gosh, is that it? Now you guys have to wait for the tutorial video. Let me just kind of review everything that came in the kit. We had our two colors. We had our acorn color, this dark, luscious, like espresso bean brown, and then this lovely gold shimmer green called Artichoke. And get these out of here my way. We had the very cute, I can't wait to play with these. These are our gnome plates at MXM113 and MXM114, even with your build your own gnome. Can't wait. That's going to be super cute, super cute, super cute. And our extra item this month was our cuticle tape, our cuticle protectors, which was really awesome. That is an awesome extra gift, honestly. Because like I said, I always feel like they're so expensive. And I'm like, well, I can just clean up on my own. But they are so helpful for cleanup, for sure, for sure. And then, of course, we get our tutorial card and we get our list of the things that are inside of the MXM kit. So, people, MXM, Manny by Me kit, whatever. That is our October kit. I will be releasing another video in which I do the tutorial card. So where we are going to create this nail right here. Come on, you can do it. Focus. There we go. We're going to recreate that nail right there. And here's all the step-by-step instructions to do it. So we will be following all of that next time that we need. People, if you like Maniology like I like Maniology, you're probably going to want to get some stuff. And when you do, you can get 10% off of your stuff by going to their website and using the code GrooveMama. That'll get you 10% off of your order. Okay, peeps, until we meet again, I do hope that you decorate every nail you got. Bye!